Afternoon class. After reading chapter 11, we were introduced to the concept of globalization, which is the integration of business services and cultures around the world. And we also read we take this and we summarize the role of information technologies within this concept. It also highlights issues that companies could face with IT and globalization. So for this discussion, I'd like to bring up a couple of talking points dealing with globalization and IT from the website globalization101.org and their information pages on industrial structure and jobs and workforce. One point is the rise of business to business over internet and its growth. And historically, and as we witness it today, it is more likely going to continue growing steadily over the upcoming years, probably indefinitely. And we're talking about allowing goods to be ordered, go through the process of procurement, and delivered to the customer more efficiently than it has in the past, and continue to be more efficient. The issue is that this is taken away from jobs that require humans that had previously conducted the functions within the business, as in order entry for customers, physically selecting and filling the order, and provide organization to move and deliver these products to the customers. Another issue is referenced from the same website under workforce. And even though the information on that page covers a broader range on the topic, I'll point out the issue of business practices and the frequency they must change in order to match, progress, or innovate beyond the competition that is definitely increased. I would say from all that we've seen and experienced, it would be safe to say that this has dramatically increased over the last 10 years. And this is because business place a value on their information and protection of their information. It must be in constant change of how they protect it and their practices conducting their business. And this puts them ahead of their competition. If they don't, they've got a stagnant business practice, something that the company either does well or the competition has eyes on could possibly be compromised. And just like chapter 11 covers, the errors are defined by Thomas Friedman that introduces us to globalization 3.0, which was very interesting because it states the convergence of technologies have paved way for individuals and small groups to go global. And, bringing the business in the world within a keyboard reach of each other, basically. So we had to think of it like listening through a wall and getting sound bites on what your competition is doing. So please think of these issues and provide some constructive feedback on this topic. I'm waiting to hear what your thoughts are, and thank you.